Look how fun Keia is. I'm not that much fun. Rufus isn't gonna want to talk to me. I'll just go.
Wait! Cupcake! Cupcake, don't worry. There's gotta be something we can do.
Yeah, we just need to think of what that is. Think, Rolly. Think. Think. Aw, chew toys. I just had an idea, and now it's gone.
Well, I just got an idea. If Cupcake was as fun as Keia, maybe Rufus would stop being upset with her.
Hey, that was my idea, I think.
So, how can I be fun like Keia?
First thing to remember if you want to be fun like Keia is that she likes doing lots of fun things, like puppy bouncing. Puppy bouncing is a blast!
Watch and learn. Puppy bounce!
See? Now you try, Cupcake.
Okay, puppy bounce! One more time. Puppy bounce! I did it! I'm amazing!
Another thing that makes Keia so fun is that she giggles. A lot. Why don't you give it a try, Cupcake?
Excuse me. Sorry, just talking about giggles makes me giggle.
I don't know. Here goes nothing. Did I do it?
Oh, yeah, that was something, but it didn't quite sound happy.
Why don't you copy me?
And now make your voice higher.
I did it! Now I can't stop.
Good job, Cupcake.
Another fun thing Keia does is act extra super excited, like this.
I just love my owner Chloe, and my brother KJ, Strawberry, and my best friend Sprinkle and Wooly. Okay, your turn.
I love everything Keia loves. I love puppy pounces and rainbows and flower necklaces and talking fast. You mean like that?
You're doing it.
Acting like Keia is exhausting.
Cupcake, I think you're ready.
Okay, Cupcake, be fun. Oh, hey, Rufus! That's some super duper nice work you're doing there. I love rocks and sculptures shaped like rocks.
She's nailing it.
Uh-oh, Rufus ruined your rock sculpture. You must be pretty upset at him, huh, Keia?
Nah, it's okay. It was an accident, Rufus. Why don't we do something else? I know. We can watch cloud shapes in the sky.
Maybe that's why Rufus likes us so much. It's because Keia's so kind. I haven't been that kind.
Cupcake?
Forget it, pups. I haven't been kind like Keia today, and Rufus just wants to be with her, so I'll leave now.
No, we don't give up on missions.
Let's keep thinking, Rolly.
I know! We can invite them to a costume party on our pirate ship and then play a game and... Nah, that's a bad idea. Where are we gonna find a pirate? Why are you so sad, Rufus? You miss Cupcake?
Rufus, Cupcake misses you too. But she thinks you're happier with Keia, so she left.
She tried to make things better. She even made you this flower necklace. You're going back to Cupcake? How do you know where to find her? Yeah! Go, Rufus!
Rufus, I wasn't kind to you after the game, and then Keia was, and I saw how happy her kindness made you. I can't change what I did earlier, but I'm really sorry about it. Forgive me? Oh, Rufus.
Subscribe to find more videos and tune in to Disney Junior to watch your favorite shows.